Hi, myself Raviprakash Choudhary, heading as a GM sales to the TSA process equipment. TSA process equipment is started a long journey of since last 20-21 years, and we are being high share market into North region as well as in India, more than 70%. We are been covering here major of the processes industries in the pharma and biopharmaceuticals, as well as in the processes as well process industries. Now TSA is almost sharing the major of the PharmaTech equipments and major share clients also of the North region. Now from all the share registration desk is being sponsored by the TSA process equipment. Now here the company is global and is been tie up with the Thermax process, Thermax India, and TSA is been joint venture with the Thermax in last 5 to 6 months, and here we are capturing the major global market of the pharma and biotech industries. Thank you.